Hello everyone, and welcome. My name is Mia Khalifa, and you're watching Go Natural English. Today, we're diving into a topic that is essential for students at both high school and college levels: how to select the perfect research topic in just 6 simple steps. Whether you're an undergraduate student, a high schooler, or even an advanced ESL learner preparing for an academic writing task, this guide will make the process easier and more manageable for you. Writing a research paper can be an overwhelming task, especially when it comes to picking a topic. I completely understand how challenging this can be because I have been through it myself. Finding an engaging yet feasible topic requires a balance between personal interest and academic relevance. But don't worry, I am here to help you navigate through this process with 6 clear and practical steps that will lead you to an ideal research topic. So, let's begin with step number 1, understanding the assignment. Before choosing a topic, it is crucial to fully understand the requirements of your assignment. If you're in a class, your teacher or professor has likely provided specific guidelines. Carefully read the assignment details and ask yourself the following questions. How many pages or words does the paper need to be? How many sources do you need to cite, and what citation format should you use? What kind of research is required: books, online sources, interviews, surveys, or something else? Is the research paper argumentative, analytical, or informative? If anything is unclear, do not hesitate to ask your instructor for clarification. Understanding the assignment from the start will save you time and prevent frustration later on. Step number 2, brainstorming potential topics. Once you are clear on the assignment, it's time to generate ideas. Brainstorming is a powerful technique that helps you explore various topics without any pressure. Start by writing down any topic that comes to mind. Even if a topic doesn't seem perfect at first, list it anyway. Here are some brainstorming strategies. Free writing: set a timer for 5 to 10 minutes and write down every idea that pops into your head without stopping. Listing: make a numbered list of topics that interest you. Mind mapping: write down a broad topic in the center of a page, then branch out with related subtopics. For instance, if you are studying international relations, a broad topic could be global trade. From there, you can narrow it down to more specific areas like the impact of tariffs on developing economies or how global trade affects small businesses. The key is to generate as many ideas as possible before refining your choices. Step number 3, narrowing down your topic. Now that you have a list of potential topics, it's time to refine your choices. One common mistake students make is choosing a topic that is too broad, making it difficult to provide in-depth analysis. Instead, aim for a more focused and manageable subject. Ask yourself, is the topic too broad or too specific? Is there enough available research material on this topic? Can I cover this topic effectively within the required page or word limit? For example, climate change is an extremely broad topic. Instead, a narrower focus such as the role of renewable energy in reducing carbon emissions is much more researchable and manageable. Step number 4, discussing your ideas. At this stage, it's beneficial to talk about your potential topics with others. Discussing ideas with classmates, teachers, or even friends and family can provide new perspectives and insights. They may ask questions that help you further refine your topic or point out potential challenges you hadn't considered. In a classroom setting, you can also take advantage of office hours or discussion forums to get feedback from your instructor. Constructive conversations can help solidify your choice and ensure that your topic is engaging and academically appropriate. Step number 5, researching and gathering resources. Before finalizing your topic, conduct some preliminary research. This step ensures that sufficient information is available for your paper. Look for reliable sources such as academic journals, books from reputable authors, government websites and reports, interviews with experts, peer-reviewed articles. If you struggle to find enough credible sources, you may need to refine your topic further. Conversely, if there is too much information available, consider narrowing your focus even more. The goal is to ensure that your topic is researchable and supported by existing literature. Step number 6, developing your research question and thesis. After conducting some background research, it's time to formulate a research question. Your research question should be clear, focused, and specific. A well-defined question will help guide your research and keep your paper organized. Here are some tips for crafting a strong research question. Use who, what, when, where, why, and how to frame your question. Ensure that your question is not too broad or too vague. Make sure there is enough information available to answer your question effectively. For example, instead of asking, "How does social media impact teenagers?" try, "How does Instagram usage affect the self-esteem of high school students?" This revised question is more specific and researchable. Once you have your research question, develop a thesis statement. Your thesis statement is essentially the answer to your research question. It should be concise, arguable, and well supported by evidence. A strong thesis will serve as the foundation for your paper. To summarize, here are the 6 steps to choosing the best research topic. Understand your assignment. Clarify the requirements before selecting a topic. Brainstorm ideas. Generate a wide range of topics without restriction. Narrow down your topic. Focus on a specific aspect to make it manageable. Discuss your ideas. Seek feedback from peers and instructors. Conduct preliminary research. Ensure that credible resources are available. Develop your research question and thesis statement. Create a focused question and a strong thesis. By following these 6 steps, you will be well on your way to writing a compelling and well-researched paper. Selecting the right topic is the first and most crucial step in the research process, so take your time and choose wisely. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide helps you find a research topic that excites and motivates you. Good luck with your paper, and I'll see you next time.